Hey YouTube family and friends, yes, I'm getting straight to it. I am quitting. Look behind me, can't you tell? All right, so I quitted on this a couple weeks ago, but I still got things coming in, and look how tiny this is. But that pineapple tomato, you can't beat that. I still got to harvest the rest of these. I got those this morning, but my Asian pears are small, but they taste good. Now back behind me, all this stuff right here, this was my cucumber plants, and they put off loads of cucumbers. All right, so I had them all the way down this row right here, and we look behind me, I had them on that gate. You could probably still see a couple of them, but I decided a couple weeks ago they were getting spotty, and I was coming out here clipping them off, cleaning them up. I said, boom, I'm letting it go. And so I decided to restart. So it's okay when you see your plants that done gave a lot to you, and it's okay to say, hey, I'm quitting on you, pull them out, and guess what? I'm gonna plot some more in. So that's what we're about to do right now. But this thing is so good, but it's so small. And I'll talk about that in another video. We have been eating loads of these tiny Asian pears, but we're about to go ahead and pull that out. I got to show you one other thing that I'm quitting on, and I haven't shown this too much in my garden, but I am fed up. Even though they're gonna always stay with me, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to them, because I got to smother them out, but they still gonna be in my garden forever. I didn't know that. All right, so let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna finish this first. If you don't grow Asian pears, grow you some Asian pears. I'm looking at some other ones. I like these ones too, but I ain't ate them yet. All right, so I'm just pulling these up by the root, and I'm probably gonna have to cut these, but they did a great job for me, but they gotta go now. And it's okay to do this once they stop producing, or you see that they're getting a disease or spots on them and they're not doing that well, go ahead and take them out. And if you are in a climate like mine, where you still have a lot of days to get some more harvest out, because all the gardeners around here are starting to do the same thing for the plants that are already starting to wilt away. And this summer heat is no joke. Even though I got my drip tape down here, they was pushing out cucumbers like almost every day. My wife, she was taking them to her job every day, every other day. My neighbors got some all around here. My family got some. And then you see I still have all my peppers, same thing, they were getting peppers. And my peppers in the front yard, they're gonna start putting on peppers there too. So I'm gonna have peppers everywhere. All right, so I got this one clear. Let's go ahead and clear the rest of them. I'm just gonna show you the rest that I have to do. I got to do this row, then I got to get those over there. You see I still got squash hanging strong. I can go ahead and get some of those already. All right, so I'm gonna see you soon when I get this over with, and then we'll go ahead and start replanting and getting ready to start another group of plants, so we can have some more harvest. Look, y'all, I got cucumbers growing in trees. Got a cucumber tree, but I'm about to go ahead and take this next row down, and I'm gonna put some more stuff up, and I'm gonna go ahead and take these bell peppers right here and get all my peppers off this row. All right, let me get back to it. All right, so I'm gonna add some fertilizer, then I'm gonna go ahead and plant these, but I gotta show you what the other area I'm quitting on, and it looks crazy. Wait till you see it. I'm gonna put some tomato tone down in my hole and mix it up, and I'm gonna put some around it as well. And then let's go ahead and plant this cucumber plant. Now it says it's straight 8, but y'all know how I do. I be mixing it up. All right, so let me go ahead and put it in. Oh, look how nice that plant look. Out with the old, in with the new. Sounds like a plan. And I got my drip tape right there to water it in. Also, I am gonna put a little blood meal just in case the other plants took out the nitrogen. And hopefully when it breaks down over time as this grows, because it's not immediate, then it can give it what it needs. All we gotta do is put the mulch back around, and then we are gonna water it in slightly because it's supposed to rain again. So we gotta hurry up. That's why these mosquitoes out here bad. I'm gonna bring you in close with this one before we go over to my other area that I'm gonna show you. Got my fertilizer, throw it in the hole, mix it around. I get my best plant, squeeze it out. Look at that, look at that. Looks good, right? Go ahead and put it down in there. And all we're gonna do is backfill the hole, of course. And then, like I said, I am going to water all these. I'll just probably just cut on the water and let the drip irrigation get it so that it can get used to its new home. I want to get it happy so we can go back up there and produce some more cucumbers. I love watching this stuff just take off and grow. All right, so let's go to that area that I'm quitting on. All right, so you see all this that's behind me, this is what I'm quitting on. All right, these are my raspberries. Now I do get raspberries, but I thought I was gonna get tons of raspberries, and that's not the case. Maybe that's not my thing, but it's hard to get rid of raspberries. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some raised beds back here, getting ready for the fall garden, and my raised beds are gonna come from Quictent. I have a link in the description if you need a raised bed or two or a greenhouse. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And you should be thinking about your fall garden that's coming up. It'll be here before you know it. But let me go ahead and get back to pulling some not cucumbers. I had to pull my tomatoes, and even the ones that's almost ripe, I'm pulling those. And in the next video or next two videos, I'll tell you why. But I got to go ahead and get that out of there so that the pests don't get it. All right, so let me go ahead and get my harvest of tomatoes, because we've been eating on tomatoes for a while now. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. It's gonna be over here or over there. All right, and my beans are starting to catch. I did them late.